Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started on today's video. Alright you guys, I wasn't sure what palette to film with today, but a couple people asked me if I picked up the Bailey Sarian Fatally Yours palette with Melt, and I did. I do have it. And so that's what we're going to be filming with today. I did also pick up the, I just got the bundle with this palette, the glitter gels and the gel liners. So we're going to start off. Here's the palette. And on the back, of course, it says make good choices. And here's the inside of this beautiful palette. This is all matte, so this is different for me because you know I am that shimmer girl. So we're going to see how I get along with an all matte palette. And then here are the glitter, or no, these are just the ultra matte gel liners. If I can get these out, y'all know I am the worst when it comes to dealing with packaging. But this is the shade Onyx, which is just black. Right there. Just a black gel liner. I actually don't even really have a brush to use with these, so that's gonna be, yeah, I'm not the best with liner. Actually, I'm horrible at it. I don't know how to do liner. I don't. It doesn't work out for me, so we'll see. I also, I did see, I don't remember if it was Bailey or someone else talking about how you could use these just as like a base for the shadows, so maybe in the future that's something that I will do. And this is the shade Wisteria. No. Crap, hold on, timeout, remix, redo, hold on. Okay, that's one of the glitter ones. You can't tell from the packaging unless you read the names. What's what? Okay, so this is the gel liner in the color, the shade, Nightshade. And this is the one that it looks purple, but it's actually like a navy blue once you blend it out. So, there we go. There are those. And then, now let's get to the glitters. I'm trying to get through this so I can get y'all to the palette. We can get started, and I'm running late, of course. And if you guys have been around for a minute, you know, like our fridge was down for a while, so I finally was able to get a new one, and it just started making these weird noises, and like they're really loud, scary noises. And yeah, it's still under warranty, but I just don't have time to like take off work and to deal with it. And I am like literally, to be honest, I'm about to break down in tears because I've just had all I can take. Life does not give me any breaks, like it never ends. But let me quit my whining. And this is a shade Wisteria, ooh, which is really, really pretty. But yeah, you guys, I'm like literally, when you talk about being at your wit's end, I hit that point about 10 years ago and it just hasn't stopped, and I am just like, can't do this anymore. Literally cannot do this life anymore. So that's where we're at today. We'll see what happens with the fridge. Okay, so this is the shade Boom Slang, which is really, really, really pretty. I hope the camera's focusing and that you can see that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we made it through that. Now, let me just, I'm not sure if we're going to use any of the glitters today or if we're just going to go straight matte. So we'll see what I feel like when I get to that point. Yeah, let me just get myself ready here. So I'm thinking like one eye is going to be like blue-green and the other one is going to be like yellow, orangish, maybe with a hint of this purplish shade. So let's just get started, see what happens, all the things. All the things. If I could find the right brushes. Okay. So let's start with this shade Kerosene right here, just because it is so beautiful. Oh, the birds are out. That makes me feel a little bit better. It's always good to have a little touch of nature going on when I'm filming. All right. That is such a pretty blue. Like that just, oh God, that just put me in a much better mood right there. I needed that so much. Like you don't even know how badly I needed that. Okay. Okay. That's really, really pretty. Okay, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling the matteness of this palette. Okay, now I'm kind of wanting to take, let's go, oh dang it. These are like, these grungy greens are like getting me. Like, which one do I want to use? Let's go with Phosgene. I have no idea how in the goodness to pronounce it, and it's that one right there. It just is very grungy and beautiful, and I just want that on my eyes. Oh yes, okay. All right. That's really pretty. Like, who am I loving, like, just these mattes? Like, what happened? That is so pretty. Like, I like that. I like this. I like this a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and just put that all over the rest of the lid because it's so pretty that I think it's perfect. Dang. This is like totally different for me, and I 1000% love it. Who am I? Like, what? This is so pretty. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay. So, I do just want to go on with that first shade again and just kind of like reblend a little bit. Okay. I am very, very, very impressed. Like, you guys, that was 2 shades and that's really pretty. Like, dang. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I really want to go in with this shade. I can't pronounce this. Strychnine? Strychnine? That one. Right there. It's like a deep, dark, tealy. Well, it looked tealy blue. Now it's kind of looking like a charcoal gray. Like, what in the world shade is this? It's beautiful, whatever it is. Like, and we're gonna use it. Okay. I still can't really tell, but it's pretty, so that's all that matters. All right, you guys, so yeah, we are doing this. I actually really like this a lot more than I thought I was going to, so. Okay, now for the other eye. Let's start with, the shade Cyanide, because this is like giving me like really pretty like grungy vibes as well. I feel like that'd be like the perfect starter shade for this next look. Oh yes, 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 yes. My fridge is like still making that noise, and I'm just really hoping that the mic isn't picking it up, but it's literally like right above me, so it probably is. So I apologize in advance for that. Yeah, like you guys, I just have a feeling that dang fridge is going out, and like literally we've had it like under 2 weeks, because we got it like Thanksgiving weekend, and today's December 9th or 10th, so maybe right at 2 weeks. Like, what in the world is happening? Like, why? I don't know. I don't even know. I don't know. What are you gonna do? Okay, now we're gonna go on with the shade Thallium, which is that really pretty orangish shade right there. Okay. This is also beautiful. Like, I don't know. I might become like a huge matte shadow fan. Like, was not expecting this. But these are really, really pretty looks. Alright, now for that lower lash line, I want to use the shade Sarian, which is right here. Just such a beautiful, like, deep maroony purple. Okay. Okay, now I just want to take like a brush with nothing on it and just kind of smudge out both lower lash lines, just to smoke them out a little bit more. All right. You guys, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I am back and these are the finished looks. And I am very, very impressed. These are all matte looks. I honestly don't think I have ever done an all matte look. So very, very impressed. Love the looks. And also my lipstick that I'm wearing. It's the Revlon Color Stay Suede Ink in the shade Pure Talent. Right there. I kind of had this thought of trying to dupe the lipsticks, the bullet lipsticks at least, in the Melt and Bailey Sarian collection, because I think it's like $22, $24 a piece for the lipsticks, and that's a lot to spend on a lipstick. So if I can come up with, I've already got a couple that I think are dupes. So I just need to find dupes for like 2 more. So if I can get those together, I'm probably going to film another video with this palette, and then I'll show you guys the dupes that I was able to find, because yeah, it's a lot to pay for a lipstick. So again, this was the Melt and Bailey Sarian Fatally Yours palette. It's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. And here is the inside of that beautiful palette. One last look at it. It's gorgeous. The shades were beautiful. There was like next to 0 fallout, which is rare. And yeah, I am just very, very impressed. I'm excited to reach for this palette again. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Remember, subscribe to this channel. Comment down below, did you pick up this palette? Are you interested in it? Is it just something that you're not really into? Did you pick up the lipsticks? How do you like those? Just let me know all your thoughts down below, and also give this video a thumbs up. Remember that you are loved, you're amazing, you're beautiful, and just have a wonderful day, morning, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.